Russia has replaced Saudi Arabia to become India's second biggest oil supplier. Meanwhile, Russian universities to accept Indian students leaving Ukraine. A Russian envoy said the Indian students leaving Ukraine can continue with their respective courses at Russian universities, from where they were left off without losing out on the previous years of study. The statement came in response to queries by reporters on the fate of the over 20,000 students who fled Ukraine after Russia invaded that country in February this year. He said the students in Kerala can get in touch with the Russian house here with their marksheets and other academic records, and the same would be forwarded to the Russian varsities, which would get in touch with the students and their parents. On the conflict in Ukraine, Babushkin alleged that the regime there was protecting neo-Nazis and that the war was a result of crossing of a Lakshman Rekha of Russia. It was a Lakshman Rekha for Russia, a red line of red lines which was crossed by the West, he said. He alleged that also, Western nations like the USA do not want the war to end in Ukraine, as defense companies from there were benefiting from the supply of weapons to Ukraine.